Hi guys, welcome to the Lenscap Chronicles. My name's Amanda, and if you've been following this series, we are in Albania and we are trying to track down some of the most beautiful beaches in the region. Today is an epic treat. We are off to Gjipe Beach, and this is a secluded, tiny little beach, and we are going to spend half an hour driving there from our hotel and then a half an hour walk, which is necessary to get down to the beach unless you are dropped off by boat. Let's go check out everything Jippy has to offer. On the west coast of Albania is winding but in good shape, and it will take you through quaint coastal villages and along a breathtaking coastal track at the top of a cliff face. After turning off the main road, you need to drive around 2.5 kilometers in a single line road, but if you do encounter oncoming traffic, there are several stopping places in case you meet cars along the way. Sometimes you'll have to reverse in order to let others pass. Eventually, you'll reach a huge dirt parking lot where you can park your car. Arrived at Gjipe Beach, the car park anyway, and €4 for the parking fee, then a bit of a hike down a very rough terrain. Apparently you can get a full drive down here, but have to risk the wheels I think. Huge rocks, and definitely need some good walking shoes to make it down to the beach. Just watched a Toyota Ute make its way through this rough terrain, so a bit of proof that it's possible, but it does look pretty tricky. I'd recommend walking for those visiting here. The water in front of me as we're approaching Jippy is just divine. It is so blue, almost see-through near the shore. There are regions here in Albania that are simply just so breathtakingly beautiful, and we're really enjoying exploring those parts. Now, as we discovered in our city tour in Tirana, the previous communist leader Enver Hoxha was an extremely fearful and anxious man, and he had around 200,000 bunkers installed during his regime in his time in power throughout the city and throughout the country of Albania. And we've just come across one here on the side of the mountain. So you'll find them dotted around the place through your travels in Albania. They were designed to protect people in power from any approaching attacks. Ironically, no attack ever came. Not a single bullet was fired on any of these bunkers. Mixed reports on the state of affairs down on Gjipe Beach. So some people have said there are so many sunbeds that you can't find a spot to just sit and chill alone with your own towel. Others have said that it's really secluded. So we didn't know what to believe online. Obviously there's so many different reviews, everyone's got a different opinion. From what I can see, there are a few sunbeds, not too many. Also a lot of sand if you just want to come down here with your own towel and relax and not pay a sunbed fee. The colour of this water though, oh my word, it is so stunning and so blue. Our home for the day, folks. Could it be any more beautiful? I don't think so.
lek, 15.
15 lek.
Yeah.
Do you have change for a lek?
Euro, no problem. Okay.
Okay, payment exchange. 1500 lek or 15 euro on the beach here for a seat. Okay, situation here with the beds is that they are a little bit rickety, not the best quality overall, but nevertheless this is what's available to us, and we've got the beautiful sparkling blue water in front of us. There are also some boat tours that can drop you off here if you wish to come. We've seen one boat already. They're not too frequent. The water's a bit choppy, so we might just relax a little bit before we brave the water. Charming here. It's warm, it's lovely, the waves are pretty strong, but the pebbles are the main thing to watch out for. It's pretty difficult to walk on the big pebbles, but the actual water and experience in the water is beautiful, glorious, all of the great synonyms that I could ever possibly think of in one sentence. There you have it. Loving Gjipe Beach. And one more thing to add, it's 15 euros as I said for the bed, but it doesn't come with a towel. So we don't have towels. Fortunately it's a hot day for us, so we'll probably just dry off naturally. But if you are looking to come down here, I could not find on any review whether you have to bring your own towel. I would recommend it for sure. There are two small beach shacks here which sell drinks and refreshments, some fruit. So if you do get a bit hungry, you can grab a bite there, but I would recommend to bring some snacks, which we have done, just because there's not a huge amount available down here, as you can imagine. Long way to bring food down.
Locals only accept cash, so if you plan to buy food or drinks from the small drink stands, make sure you have either some lek or euro in change. You'll also need lek or euro for sunbed hire. Other things you'll need to pack include sneakers for the uneven rocky pathway down to the beach, and some flip-flops for when you're actually on the beach. You'd also benefit from suncream, a hat and sunglasses.
So as you can see, there is loads of space here, plenty of room to put your towel down. It's a pebbly beach, so yes, if you have sensitive feet, you will need to wear shoes. Jippy Beach is located in the centre of a canyon, so as well as swimming, there is also a lovely canyon walk or a canyon hike that you can do. We're taking a walk into the canyon to check it out. It is a little bit scruffy, this beach, around the edges. A few kind of old sunbeds and chairs around the place. This is obviously a very rural and rustic area in Albania, so there's not a huge amount of facilities here, but I do think there is great promise that they could really improve this beach actually. Nevertheless, we've had a lovely few hours of our afternoon relaxing and enjoying, and this canyon is mammoth and it's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. worthwhile spending a little bit of time hiking the trail. There's been a few rock climbers out here, we've seen them coming back with their ropes, and really beautiful, very narrow and steep gorge right by Gjipe Beach. Well, we've loved our time here at Jippy Beach, exploring Jippy Canyon as well, but time now to head back to our hotel.
As you can see, Jippy is a picturesque beach at the mouth of an impressive and absolutely pristine gorge. Near the entrance to the gorge is a camping ground, which is extremely popular and has had some bad reviews online with respect to it being a rubbish-prone region. From the short walk we took through it though, it appeared quite clean and there were bins around to cater for rubbish. I guess it just depends on the clientele of the day and if they're willing to get rid of their trash. In peak season, you'll find huts playing loud party music, many umbrellas and bodies occupying the shoreline, and boats dropping tourists off almost every 10 minutes. We found the beach not to be too busy though the morning we arrived and thoroughly enjoyed the ambiance, but by afternoon the number of people in Jippy had almost doubled and there were many more beach tents. So if you're after a quieter atmosphere, go in the morning, but if you like to party, then the afternoon is for you. Jippy is a relaxing day out, but don't forget your beach towel, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.